Hi, Calvin here, Customer Service Manager at dsltelecom, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Vobi app. We'll start by opening up the Play Store for Android, or if you're at Apple, open your Apple App Store and search for Vobi. Once you have located, select Vobi and click Install. Once the installation is completed, open up the app and select Scan QR Code. Here you will be requested to allow certain applications to be accessed by Vobi. Please do allow all and scan your QR code. If you have not received your QR code as yet, please send an email to support@dsltelecom.co.za and we will gladly send you your QR code. After receiving your QR code, using your camera, scan the QR code and you will be prompted with the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully, accept them, and Vobi will automatically configure itself and you will be ready to make calls. As easy as that. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.